Well, the next radio is the Zenith. I've never worked on a Zenith before. It's a 1941, I think it's like a 7S633, something like that. And I've had this since about 1983, I believe. It works, at least it worked about 10 years ago last time I tried it out. But it's had some little alterations. Someone put a switch here, and it's got this wire coming out of the back. That doesn't look right, and I noticed that I've done some rewiring back in here. But I've never really taken it apart or anything, because it's always played. I know that that's a little loose. That used to short out a little bit. I gotta fix that. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. Oops. A little too strong. Still won't come off. That didn't go as planned. It kind of broke apart trying to get it out, but I can get a replacement, I'm sure. Well, this is a mess here. I have no idea what... This is definitely not a factory job. I'm not sure what that does. Great. I got everything out. All the rubber parts are definitely all pretty crispy, so I'll have to try to replace those too. There's not too many parts to replace. It's not too bad. Capacitors and resistors. This one looks right here. Looks really pretty fried. Look at all the wax on that. So yeah, it's time to fix it up.